Frugal Force. Once again, this is Captain Frugal reporting for duty, and I've got an interesting little bit of information here, and I'm going to take this opportunity, which I don't do normally, and rub it in and say to the snowflakes, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. Because recently I did a video that Supergirl is in danger of being canceled, and I had all the snowflakes coming out on that video, and they're going, no, no, no. All the CW shows had early renewals. Okay, and I said, sure they did, but early renewals don't always guarantee the show actually gets renewed. It just means they have a faith in it that it's going to do well, but if the numbers continue to drop enough, they will cancel that show still. And Supergirl's numbers are having a significant drop. Well, here it goes. Look what we just got here. Arrow to end after episode 10, season 8. But correct me if I'm wrong, it had an early renewal. Once again, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. That's the point I wanted to make. I love it how many people went after me about that. Oh, you're an idiot, or you're a liar, you don't know. Well, a newsflash here. This one didn't make it, okay? It's long in the tooth, but it also, if you look, you compare it, Supergirl's numbers were not doing good at all. So I just wanted to make a point. Arrow is gone, and I liked Arrow. It was all right. But I think it was time for the show to go or be retrenched and redone in a massively different direction. So, it is what it is. But my question next is Supergirl and her low ratings next? And if I'm a betting person, I'm going to guess Supergirl is not going to get another season. But here's the thing. What is your thoughts? Will Supergirl get another season, or is it over? I would be interested to know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, hit that notifications bell. Also, if you want to help out the channel, we'd greatly appreciate it. This channel is 100% fan funded. It means I do not do any revenue from YouTube at all. I don't want to deal with them. I don't like what they do. So I'm fan funded. So one of the ways you can fund me is through Patreon. They have a Patreon link down below. For as little as $1 a month, you can help out, or even more, whatever you're comfortable with. So thank you for your time, and until next time, keep it frugal.